Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and useful automation on your iPhone. What is that? It is the automation that when your iPhone is connected to a specific, we can say network or Wi-Fi network, the iPhone itself will turn off the mobile data for you. Okay, so mobile data or cellular data, okay, on some devices will be turned off, okay, automatically after your device connects to that specific network or Wi-Fi network. Okay, so how to do that? Follow the steps. First of all, open the Shortcuts app. Now tap on Automation, and here tap on the plus icon to add a new automation. Now scroll down and tap on WLAN or Wi-Fi in some devices. Okay, here make sure is joined, tap on that one, and run immediately, okay, is on as well. Now after that, we are going to choose that specific network. Now tap on choose. Here, these are all the networks that maybe your device has already connected to. Choose that specific network connection, or we can say Wi-Fi network. After choosing that Wi-Fi network, tap on done here, and then next. Here, you can tap on create new shortcut and search for set cellular data, or when it's available here already, just tap on it. And here, make sure turn cellular data is off. Now tap on and change it to off. Okay. Now let's tap done, and that's it. Now, whenever your device, okay, connects to that network, the mobile data will be turned off. So we're going to test it now. Okay. I'm going to turn off. All right. And then let's turn it on and see whether it will, yeah. As you can see, guys, now it turned off the network or the cellular data, okay, automatically. And that's it. So if this helped, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more iPhone automation like this one. See you in the next one.